filming.
We are.
Yeah, we're filming, right. We're trying to train the cameraman. So what we're doing is today, right, the Gsxr is going on the dyno, okay? So we've done a load of changes over winter, we've done the fueling, we've done, the carbs have been a bit of a mission, right? However, we're going to start playing with things and we're going to go on the dyno. It's basically to prove it. If we do find any faults today, basically what I'm going to do is put it back in the van and just forget about it until summer.
And cry.
Because we're so limited.
He's going to cry.
I'm going to cry, exactly. Stephen knows, you see. Stephen's been helping me with the bike now for like nearly 2 years, giving me loads of abuse. That's your assistance, isn't it? Abuse, you know, via Instagram, Facebook and all the other handles that you find. So the minute the R1 has been on the dyno, you'll probably see a little bit of clip footage of that to and from. We did film on the GoPros, but as everybody knows, GoPros don't like LED lights, so it absolutely flashes as if it's just done 10 pills of ecstasy. So now you're going to film it all on a phone, so I apologise for the really bad audio, but you're just going to have to deal with that, unfortunately. So we'll spin this round. Let's not spit on this. Yeah. Proper lubricants. Not sponsored by what?
Promise.
What I'm actually fitting in line here is a fuel pressure sensor, so when we're actually on the dyno, we'll be able to log the fuel pressure.
Tom has a habit of forcing things in places that don't belong.
Yeah. Stephen, don't tell him.
This is how you carry a wheel to a tyre machine.
And then what you do is you leave it there, and someone else does it for you.
Magic.
Boxes are going up. We've warmed it up, we're getting everything right. Nick's now doing his stuff, you can see. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's already done some good pulls already, but we just wanted to make sure that everything's right. The fuel trim's good. I don't know if you can hear me by the way, but yeah, let's get this going.
Right then, so let's just get straight on it. 280 brake horsepower, 180 foot-pound of torque. I'm happy with them levels. I'm going to stay there. I've done my winter settings, my summer settings. This has been a long, drawn-out process. Believe me, it was all last year, all this year, just basically developing what I needed to do. It's been a process that I've kept relatively quiet off Instagram. It's just because I wanted to do it myself and I wanted to learn as well. There's a lot of people out there who are prepared to help, but at the end of the day, I just wanted to learn like they learn and everybody else. And yes, it may have been a little bit costly, but you know, it's been part of the journey and part of the process. Like you all, a part of the process and the journey for me is that I put everything out and you guys seem to love it as well. But obviously, I want to give a big shout to my sponsors as well. Every single one of them has played a part in this journey for me to get the bike where it was and where it is now. So I want to end this video on a high. Thanks for watching, and comment below of what you want to see next. Let's see where we can go with this.